Dear Ember, yesterday it snowed, and none of us wanted to go out, but Dia made us. Vienna said maybe we'd lose Linden in the snow. I forgot. We have a new sister named Linden, and Vienna doesn't like her. I'm auditioning for a part in this school play at school. Well, yeah. And I'm not sure I'm going to get it. We all miss you so much and hope you're having a nice time at the private school. Love, Ella.